Hi guys, in this video I'm going to speak about the root chakra, the worries, the anxiety, fear, safety and security that all are related to the root chakra. And by the end of the video you will know about what is the root chakra, what does it do, the security of the root chakra, the demons of the root chakra, how to protect your root chakra and foods that help balance the root chakra. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel to get me to more people, to make them more aware of all the things that we really need to know about ourselves and about others and our spiritual team and all the rest of it. So without further ado, let's get on with the root chakra, worries, anxiety, fear, safety and security. So it really is easy to get lost in vibrations of the root chakra, and the energy center is all about grounding, security, which can be a huge comfort when life gets tough, you know. But like any other powerful force, there are demons of the root chakra that can creep in and wreak havoc, really, if we're not careful. And when we think of the root chakra, often security and safety do come to mind because that is where our grounding, for when we're between sort of not to 1 year is where the root chakra really helps of our sense of security. If our parents loved us, if we had a solid base in life, you know. But what happens if when that security could be challenged and we don't have that foundation? I know I certainly didn't have that foundation as a child, and so it really does. When that foundation isn't there, you don't like to be vulnerable. You know, you don't like to show people your vulnerability because you've been taught that vulnerability is weak when actually it's actually a strength. And the root chakra security is as a necessary part in life. You know, it's the first line of defense against negative energies, entities. But when this chakra is healthy and it's strong, we really do feel safe and secure in our environment. However, when it's weak and blocked, we feel anxious, vulnerable. We don't want to show our true self, you know, because in fear of being judged and what have you. Also, our sexuality can be a problem here. Also, our intimacy. You know, we can fear intimacy, especially if it's been blocked down there, and we don't allow people to see that part of us. And therefore you stay single for fear of because in the past you haven't been able to attract the right people. However, with the people who you're attracting is what's going on in your energy. You know, it's really the what's the word I was going to say there? The archetypes of the root chakra is the nurturer. You know, it's the earth mother, the provider. You know, if you're providing and what have you, you feel satisfied. If you're not able to provide, however, it can really cause anxiety, stress, for you. And also, if you feel your root is needing some work done there, you know, just to release and open it so you can stand in your vulnerability, or you need it grounded. Hematite's very good for that, or red jasper is very good for that also. There's other ones. There's a whole load of other ones. So the also as well, the demon of this energy center is fear. You know, if you've got a lot of fears, and this is down at the tailbone, at the groin area, is where this energy center resides at the base of the spine. So how do you support yourself healing in this first chakra? You know, you can explore physical health and through movement, yoga, nourishment as well, grounded, being in nature, and being outside. Pay attention, because fear, stubbornness, grudges, loneliness, responsibilities for choices, and anxiety can really play a big role in the root chakra. It really can. And patterns and beliefs to really pay attention here is limiting beliefs, survival instincts, you're always in fight or flight all the time, family programming, body and health, because the themes that are around the root chakra is really survival, security, grounding, all those, safety, feeling like you need to, and also your relationships with your family is all around there. Good essential oils for the root is ginger, sandalwood, those kind of energies are very good for that. And the main thing for the basic rights of the root chakra is to be here and have. This is where if you have a lot of lack, scarcity, is coming from your root chakra. So what does it look like when you're actually in balance? Well, you're grounded, you're trusting, you're organized, you're reliable, you're nourished mentally and physically. Your basic needs are met. You're living with your loved ones. You feel safe in community, and if it's not, if you're living in that fear, you have a trust, you don't trust others or yourself or the universe or divine, the processes. As I say, you live in scarcity and lack. But there's affirmations that you can use for the root, and that is, I love my body. I'm safe. I'm connected and grounded to the earth. I'm very secure. I take responsibility for my life. There is enough, and all my needs are met. I'm Varney. Please, I hope this video helps you. Please watch the other ones. I've got videos about the sacral, which is next, energy center, and we talk about the emotions and relationships. You may find that up in the up above. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I don't know what's happening there. Like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need help with your root chakra, or any other chakra or energy center for that matter, please click the link below, have a session on me. So let's see what's actually going on for you so we can really get right to the root. Paradox there. We can get right to the source of what's actually happening, so you can be standing in your power and your passion, so your focus is in the right place. And but you've got to apply to work with me, because I don't take everybody. It's only if I feel people I can help that I'll take. Okay, speak to you later.